Hello, welcome back to the channel. So this is my first video in the series of my L3. In this video, I unbox the LOC Precision Skinwalker kit, which is number 86. I'm sorry about the audio in the first part of the video. It is a bit crap because the microphones I had were not recording audio properly, and this is a garage I filmed in, and it's not the best for audio. Thank you and enjoy. I have reopened it up and taken out the motor tube from it. So it's 98mm motor tube because I am planning to do a 75mm motor out of that. Okay. It's like a basic filament stock tube, 7.5 inch in diameter. Nice tube there. Okay. This also included some nice stickers as well. We have a giant Skinwalker logo there. So we have other decals here, custom printed Skinwalker 86 decals as well. Nose cone, obviously, pretty much half my height. Nose cone, that's nice to see. Also, it also has the probably bypass band as well on it. Nice. But we're F tube here. This is a stiffy. It's cool. Right. Stiffy there. Yeah, straight over that stiffy. Yep. A bit small section of stiffy there this time around. More small section of stiffy. Inside this we also have some copper tube as well. Oops. Oh, another stiffy as well. Piece of coupler. There we go, got that out now. Another piece of coupler. And then obviously the fin section. So pre-cut for 4 fin slots pre-cut into this tube. That. This is probably, it looks like, the Av bay. If I'm not mistaken. Yep, looks like avionics. With instructions for a nice Av bay. So we have a nice bag of recovery hardware here. So what up was the parachute. I think this is a 96, like 90 something ish parachute here. Okay. Cool. Next thing we have in this bag, we have 2 nice and giant quick links. Yeah. Nice and big quick links. Which would be nice. Like that. We have some 15 rail buttons from LOC. Always nice to have, sure. This is missing fins still. Your shock cord, wire harness there as well. Finally, another parachute. Well, and then that. Okay, no box of stuff. Oh, there's 2 shock cord, 2 of those plus 1 wire harness. Cool.
So that. Next we have out is 4 nice big thick plywood fins. Box. Okay. Yeah. And I've got the fins. They are definitely going to probably hit the edge and might chip up, which I don't like that much. So probably going to redesign those fins anyway. That's fine. Cool. And last but not least, some centering rings and other hardware. So, obviously have top centering ring, forwards, we have the mid, and we have the aft centering rings. These obviously have 2 of those there for that, and some Z-clips for the bottom one. So yeah, I still need some Nomex blankets then for these.